Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 191 of Surah Al Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الذين يذكرون الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبهم ويتفكرون في خلق السماوات والأرض ربنا ما خلقت هذا باطلا سبحانك فقنا عذاب النار. الذين Hamza is very sharp for fatha open your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut. The is 2 counts long. Na short. Yeah is soft for fatha open your jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow very nicely. Yadku for the circle your lips. The sound is short. The kaf is light. Ro is heavy and make it 2 counts long and circle your lips for dhamma. Ru now noon is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see fatha before it. Keep noon light but lafz jalala heavy. Now and then it is 2 counts long. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long by default, like it is always long. No, lo, ha is short. Qi for kasra give e sound. Ya 2 counts long. Mau idgham with gunna, so give akmal gunna here. Mau wow for fatha open your jaws as circle your lips for wow. The sound is very short. Qaf is for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short and heavy. Ru is 2 counts long. Down. This is idgham with gunna. And for fatha of wow is very short and circle your lips for pronouncing wow. Ain from your throat. The sound is short. For fatha open your jaws. La 2 counts long. And lam is light. Other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, lam is always light. La ju. And for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Nu is 2 counts long. Circle your lips. B for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound. Attach with me. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws. Yeah is very soft. For fatha open your jaws. Ta is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Fakka give hums on fa, but there is no hums in kaf. When you are attaching kaf, there is no hums, but because it will get fatha eventually. Fakka. Uru, kaf is short. Uru for dhamma circle lips. The sound of ra is heavy and 2 counts long. Uru na is short. Fi give hums in fa and then make it 2 counts long. Khol for fatha open your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Khol qis for kasra give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and safid and it is light. Qis. When with fathas, sin is very short. Ma 2 counts long. Wa 2 counts long. Ti for kasra give e sound. Wal for wow circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Wal hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws attach with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. And Ra will be heavy because Ra with sukoon, if it has fatha before it or dhamma, it is heavy. So here it is heavy. So to make any letter heavy, you are lifting your tongue up. Li is heavy for kasra give e sound, and the sound is very short. Ra is heavy because it is with fatha. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Roab, and ba has the shidda here, like the sifa, the quality of sif of ba is active here. Roab, Rab, no flow of sound whatsoever. Na, 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Kho is heavy for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Laqo. Lam is light for fatha open your jaws. Attached with qaf. Qaf will have qalqala and it is heavy. Laqo. Ta is short. Ha, 2 counts long. That 2 counts long. Ba, 2 counts long. Ti for kasra give e sound. Ta is heavy. This sound is very short. Sorry. This ikhfa is light because seen is among light letter. So this ikhfa will be light. So what we do within ikhfa, we don't say the sound of tanween, and that is known. We are not saying that. We are going towards the makhraj of seen, and we are keeping the sound in our nose. Lang, sube. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Sube. Ha, ha. Have misty sound before the fatha, because the moment you will pronounce fatha, the sound of ha will be finished. Ha, ha, na. And ha is 2 counts long. Sorry. Ha is 2 counts long and na is short. Ha, na, short. Ka, short. A kaf is light and the sound is very short. F, hums. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. F, qi. For kasra give e sound and qaf is heavy. Na, 2 counts long. A, from your throat. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. The 2 counts long. Ban, for fatha open your jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so give nice time here. Ban, and then what we are doing for waqf, we are giving sukoon, temporary sukoon on ra. This temporary sukoon turned this 4 counts long vowel, 2 counts long vowel into 4. And in this situation, when we are giving sukuna on ra, we are going to give tawassut on ra. So it is 4 counts long ra, and with tawassut, we are stopping on ra. And ra will be heavy. It is not anymore light because we give sukoon, so there is fatha before it. So we are going to make ra heavy. عذابًا okay, can I recite it? الذين يذكرون الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبهم ويتفكرون في خلق السماوات والأرض ربنا ما خلقت هذا باطلا سبحانك فقنا عذاب النار. ربنا, ra is heavy for fatha open your jaws and attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. Rab, there is no flow of sound whatsoever. Rab, Ba is short for fatha open your jaws. Na, 4 counts long. Munfasil jaiz. You're making it 4 counts long. Na, in. Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon get sifa of gunna. And this is akmal gunna. In. But fatha is very short. Na, ka is light and short. Ma, ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa. So for making ikhfa light, you are keeping the tongue straight. You are not pronouncing noon, but you are going towards the makhraj of ta. Your tongue should be ready to pronounce ta. So ma, ma, this sound should be there. The ikhfa with ta sounds like ma, to the. For the circle lips, dal will get qalqala. To the khi for kha is heavy, for kasra give e sound, the sound is very short. Lin for kasra give e sound attached with noon, noon gets sifa of akmal gunna. Lin, and then it is 2 counts long to na. Ra is heavy. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Fa, there is hams for fatha open your jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy, for fatha open your jaws attached with dal, dal with gets sifa of qalqala. Qad, akh, Hamza is very sharp for fatha open your jaws. Hamza is light, but kha is heavy. And kha will get raqawa. The sound is heavy. Zay has buzzing sound for fatha open your jaws. And this is 2 counts long because this is lean, harf lean. Zay, ta. For fatha open your jaws and attach with ha. Ha will be with sukoon. Because of the waqf, and we will give rakhawa on ha because of the waqf. Akhzayta wa for waw circle lips for fatha open your jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound attached with dha. Dha will get rakhawa and it is heavy. Li, and then it is 2 counts long. After making rakhawa, then it is 2 counts long. So rakhawa is separate and making 2 counts long is the separate story. So you are reading these 2 stories, okay? This is rakhawa, and wo, it is 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Mi 2 counts long. Na for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Min, this is izhar, and ruling is izhar, but sifa is tawassut. Min, ang, this is ikhfa, and it is heavy ikhfa because sad is among heavy letters. And to make ikhfa heavy, you are lifting your tongue up. You're not circling your lips, or you're not bringing any other support other than just lift your tongue up and your qawa will be perfect. Ang, sar. We are giving temporary sukoon on ra because of this waqf. This temporary sukoon turned this 2 counts long into 4 counts long vowel. And because of this waqf on ra is not anymore light because this is with sukoon. So we will look at the haraka before it, and the haraka is fatha. So ra is heavy now, and ra will get tawassut because ra is with sukoon right now. Ansar. Rabba, ra is heavy for fatha upon your jaws. Attached ba, ba will get a sifa of shadda. Rabba, no flow of sound for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Na, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. In, hamza is very sharp, attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. And this is akmal gunna. In, but fatha is short. Na, short. Na, 2 counts long. S, very nice snaky sound for fatha open your jaw. And the sound with fatha is very short. Mia. For kasra, give e sound attached with ain. Ain will get safa of tawassut. Mia. And ain should be from your throat. Squeeze your throat well to produce this sound. Mia. Na is 2 counts long. Mu for the circular lips. The sound is very short. Na 2 counts long. Di for kasra, give e sound. Yay, idgham with gunna. Give a nice gunna sound here. Yay, you. Yeah, dhamma is very short. Na 2 counts long. Di 2 counts long. Lil for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lil. E hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound and make it 2 counts long. E ma 2 counts long. Ni for kasra, give e sound. And hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with noon. And this is idhar, but sifa is tawassut. Ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. And 2 counts long. Ni for kasra, give e sound. No for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. B for kasra, give e sound. Ra B for fatha, open your jaws. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ra B is with shidda, sifa of shidda, no flow of sound. Rabbikum for the circular lips attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut. Fa for fatha, open your jaws. Fa has hams, and hamza is too sharp, and it is 2 counts long. Fa manna for fatha, open your jaws, attach with noon will get a sifa of kunna. Give nice time here. Man, and then it is 2 counts long. Na rabbana. Fa has hams. Fatha, open your jaws, attaching ghain. Ghain will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy. Fill. There shouldn't be any fluctuation in this sound of ghain. It should be traveling in one smooth sound. Feel for kasra, give e sound attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. Feel la is short. Na 2 counts long. Du for the circular lips, the sound is very short. No 2 counts long for the circular lips, and it is 2 counts long. Ba short. Na 2 counts long. Wa for wow circular lips. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Kaf is light. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Fa will get sifa of rakhawa and hams, and kaf this. And then feel for kasra, give e sound attached with ra, and ra will be light here because there is kasra before it. Feel and ra will get tawassut too. Feel ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, attached with noon will get sifa of kunna. An, and then it is 2 counts long. Na say. Seen has for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Attached with ya. Here is a number. We are applying number. Say. When you are attaching seen with ya, this is the place where you are applying number. Say. And then kasra is very short and simple. Ye. Say. Ye. 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. T for kasra, give e sound. No flow of sound. Nothing is there. T. Na 2 counts long. Hua for wow circular lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ta short is very sharp. Ta is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Waf for wow fatha wow circular lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Fa will get hums and rakhawa. Nice. Waf, but fatha is very short. Fa na 2 counts long. Ma short. Al, Ain should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa off. Tawassut. Al, al. Ab. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ba. Ba will get sifa off. Qalqala. Ba is light. Hamza is light. Nothing is heavy here. Ab. Ra. Why I said so? Because ra is coming up. So looking at ra, because it's heavy, you tend to make this ba and hamza heavy too. No, don't do that. If you feel like that, um, say the word in parts. Ab, ab, ra. We are giving temporary sukoon on ra because of this waqf, and this temporary sukoon turned this two counts long vowel into four. Now it's 4 counts long because of this temporary sukoon. And this ra is light. It was light before it has kasra, but right now it is heavy because we can see fatha before it. And this ra will get sifa of tawassut too. Ma'al abrar. This is heavy and this is heavy too. ربنا إنك ما تدخل النار فقد أخزيته وما للظالمين من أنصار ربنا إننا سمعنا مناديا ينادي للإيمان أن آمنوا بربكم فآمنا ربنا فاغفر لنا ذنوبنا وكفر عنا سيئاتنا وتوفنا مع الأبرار ربنا for circular for fatha open your jaw. Hamza is very sharp and it is 2 counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Na 2 counts long. Ma 2 counts long. Wa for circular lips for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Ad Ain for fatha open your jaws. Ain should be from your throat. Squeeze your throat well to give this ain a nice sound. Ad, and you are directly attaching it with ta, at, ta. For fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is very sharp, no flow of sound whatsoever. At, ta, na, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. It should be, your throat, you should squeeze your throat well to to say this sound. La 2 counts long. Oru, ra is heavy for dhamma circle your lips. The sound is very short. Oru, su for dhamma circle your lips. The sound is short. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka light for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Wa for wow circle your lips. Fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Tukh for the circle your lips. Attached with kha. Kha will get sifa of raqawa and it is heavy. Tukh. Z for kasra give e sound. Na 2 counts long. Yaw for fatha open your jaws. Attached with wow. And this is lean. It will be 2 counts long. Yaw. Mal for fatha open your jaws. Attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qi for kasra give e sound. Ya 2 counts long. Ma for fatha open your jaws. Ma is not long at all, so you're not stretching the sound of meme, but you are giving Rakhawa on ha. Whenever we stop on this circle ta, we change it into ha. So this is ha, and ha will get rakhawa when it is with sakun. So yes, it has rakhawa. Qiyamah. In Hamza is very sharp attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of unna. In fatha open jaws na, or ka is short. La, two counts down. Tuh, for the circle ellipse attached with kha. Kha will get sifa of raqawa, and it is heavy. Tuh li, for kasra give e sound. Full, for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Full me, for two counts long. Ad. We are giving temporary sukoon on this dal because of this sukoon. And this temporary sukoon turned this two counts long vowel into four. And this is what a mad arid li sukoon is. And dal with sukoon gets qalqala. Mi'ad. ربنا وآتنا ما وعدتنا على رسلك ولا تخزنا يوم القيامة إنك لا تخلف الميعاد. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.